Imagine for a moment that you'd really like to run WordPress for your blog, but you don't know how to get hosting, or you don't want to mess with security, or any of the other things that setting up your own website comes with. The answer for you is probably WordPress.com. This is a hosted solution where all of the software is right on their servers. You create a free account, and away you go. Let's take a look at what it's like to set this up. First, put in your email address. It checks right away to see that my email address is available on their site. It suggests a username. I'll keep that one. We'll create a password. And then we have the opportunity to set up a blog address. For free, we can have something at WordPress.com. I'm going to change it to TopherOST. And here it says it's available. And they went out and checked to see if TopherOST.com is also available. For $18 a year, I could get that. If we click here, we can see some other options. .co is $25 a year, .me is $25, .com is $18, and .net and .org are also $18. Here are some options that they'd like to upsell. We could get our own domain name, which you saw above. We could get additional space for videos or whatever. We could turn off ads, we could get a custom design, and we can hook up with VideoPress, which is a hosted video solution. If we get all of it at once, it's only $100 a year. Or we can just go with the free one. I recommend the free one to start with. If you're not sure about this, try it out and see if you like it. If you do, then you can pay later. So now I'm going to click Create Blog. There. Now it wants me to check my email. So now I'm going to check my email. And here we have a link to Activate Blog. And there we are. Our blog is activated. But we still have a little setup. There's the title. Let's just make up something cool. Tagline, which is optional. I'm going to leave that right there. Choose your language. And go to Next Step. Choose a theme. I like Writer. And here's some information about it. I can customize it if I wish. Let's take a look at that real quick. So we can do colors, front, site title, and theme options. There, I like that. Choose Save. Now, what we just did to that theme is specific to that theme. Not every theme on WordPress.com has that option. I have the option here to connect my new blog to Twitter and Facebook, but I don't want to do that right now. And I can create my first post, and it can be any one of these types. I'll choose a normal text post. There we are. We'll choose Publish Post. And it takes us right to the dashboard. And it says, Welcome to your dashboard. New posts you publish will appear in the reader stream below. You'll also see new posts from other blogs that you are following. You can visit your blog by using the My Blogs menu above. There it is. I'm going to open it in a new tab. And here we are at a dashboard. You can create more than one blog, and they would all be listed here. Here's the button to create a new one. Let's go visit this one. And here we are. There's my first post. Now back on this page, we can look at the dashboard specific to this blog. And here we get something that looks a lot more like traditional WordPress. There are both advantages and disadvantages to being on WordPress.com. Some of the advantages are that it comes with a bunch of plugins that a normal WordPress install does not. For example, there's a store here. It comes pre-set up with Akismet for comment filtering, so you don't get as much spam. Feedback. You can have polls, ratings, and people can leave feedback for you in ways other than normal comments. Some of the disadvantages are that you cannot use a theme that is not already installed here for you. There are quite a few. There are 220, as a matter of fact. However, there are many thousands available out there in the world, and you can't use any of them. Another disadvantage is that you cannot use any plugins that are not pre-installed for you. Again, there are many, and they're great. But if you find a great one someplace, you can't just install it and use it. WordPress.com isn't for everyone, but it is perfect for some people. You just need to decide if you're one of those people.